Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by unlocking your iPhone and opening settings. This avoids delays. Once done, tap cellular or mobile data to view usage controls. You need mobile data toggled on so the system tracks real-time consumption. Make sure you know which carrier line is active if you use dual SIM. This step sets the foundation because the notification bar indicator reads system-level data settings rather than third-party apps. Next, tap Cellular Data Options and inspect Data Mode or data usage so you can see how the phone measures traffic. Once there, enable Low Data Mode to reduce background activity if you want a smaller number showing in the bar. Make sure to check per app usage to identify heavy consumers and optionally reset statistics at the start of a billing cycle. These adjustments influence what the status indicators convey in the notification bar. Finally, pull down Control Center to see immediate cellular icons and any carrier-provided meters. This is what appears near the notification bar. If you want exact numeric usage in the top area, add a data usage widget or create a shortcut that updates a widget with current stats. Widgets surface near notifications and are refreshed periodically. If the indicator fails to update, restart the phone or toggle cellular off and on to reinitiate.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.